So our next topic will be materials management, or the MM. Okay. We will be discussing okay, so there's other employees involved, so contract administrator, warehouse, inventory supervisor, buyer, receiving clerk, accounts payable specialist, chief accountant. Okay, so we will be doing all of the roles now, no, para just in case you will graduate, no, and then you will be aware of the different processes. Okay, check it, this is the process. Okay, actually I have a problem with here step 5 only. Okay, so because I have an error. Okay, I think this is a common error because may na meron din same problem that recently I search over the internet kasi wala akong dapat I will be a super user, no, pero wala okay, so we will just be into until step 5, no, but at least I will be showing to you, no, from step 1 to step 5. Okay, so I will just have to explain anong mangyayari pagkatapos noon. Okay, so let's start. Okay, so create new supplier, no. On the past activity we are tasked to create customer. Now we will be creating a supplier. Okay, so again, maintain business partner again. Okay, maintain business partner. So where is it? Okay, you can see it. Okay, alright, so here we are. So we'll go to let's go to organization, the same thing that we did. Okay, organization. Okay, and then we'll go to FI new vendor. Okay, so FI new vendor. Okay, create. Okay, so we're here now. Okay, so this is what the book has provided. Will make some company like this, name and all of the data. Okay, so for this one, so Midwest Supply. Okay, so we create our own company, no, supplier of chain experts. Okay, so because chain expert corporation. Okay, this is just my imaginary company. Okay, so the search term is, let's make it 555. Okay, so the house, I'll put my house again. Okay, so let's say 98 Limahanap Street. Okay, so the postal code, let's use the what's provided in the book. Okay, so the postal code will be, okay, what will be the postal code? Okay, it's not been written in here, no. Postal, okay, this one. Okay, so let's use the postal code para walang error later. Okay, so let's use this one. The postal code is 68528. Okay, so let's use that one. Okay, because this is set up based on US, no, so yun, we'll just have to use a US style, no. Kasi if I put here Philippines, there's a high chance that we will encounter an error once we want to deliver. Okay, because in SAP nag-automatic siya okay. Sige, so Lincoln, we'll use the Lincoln Street, and then the country is US and the region is NE. Okay, NE. Okay. So there's no transportation zone. We have it specified as transportation. Okay. Okay, this one. Okay. So navigate to vendor. Okay, tax data. Let's go to vendor tax data. Navigate to the tab vendor tax data. Okay, so we'll go to vendor tax data. Okay, let's look for that. This one. Okay, so we'll put down the on the tax data field group, tax number. Okay, so we'll look for this one. Baka maduling tayo. Okay. Okay. This one. Okay. So we'll put 1, 2, 3. Okay, this one, this code here, tax number, and we'll just create our own number. Let's say 111. Okay. Then after that, okay, we will be entering the company code. No. So company code. Let's click that one. Okay, company code. Okay, so the company code is the same, US00. Okay, so vendor account management 3000 as reconciliation account. Okay, so what's 3000 here? No, let's check what's 3000. It might be yan, trading payables. Okay, bakit payables? Because once they deliver, our accounting will pay them, no? Our AP, accounts payable. Okay, and then the payment transactions, enter 001. Vendor payment transactions. So this is the vendor payment transactions. Vendor payment transaction, terms of payment. Okay, so we'll look for the terms of payment, this one here. Okay, so we will be using 001. So what's 001? Okay, pay immediately. So wala siyang 30 days, hindi sa 30 days. Pay immediately, parang COD. Okay, hindi naman cash on delivery, but you must pay immediately, although it's vague, no? Okay, and then terms payable, select the check double invoice. Okay, then we check here. Okay, so vendor correspondence. Okay, so this one here. Okay, so in the current correspondence, I'll put my name. Okay, so vendor correspondence. So what account is that? So what name is it? Clerk at vendor. Okay, so we'll put Andres. Okay, so in the screen, change to another VP role, and then VP role create mode, then click on save. Okay, so we'll go to the second vendor. Okay, we'll look for the vendor, and then we'll be clicking save. Okay, enter the standard address. the standard address. That's the error. So where's that? FIMU. I think we already have put all of those. Okay, all of those needed. Language. Okay, English. Okay, so we forgot that. This is the same. Whenever there is an asterisk which is colored red, it's needed to be filled up. Okay. Okay, so we'll continue with the vendor. Okay, and then we'll be clicking save. Okay, so save. Okay, so area general data contains errors. Okay, so anyways, general data. Okay, so we still have error. Okay, so we'll check that one. Okay, we'll have to look for the error. Okay, I think we already have put all of the required fields. Okay, let's check. Field language key, short description, language key has been customizing. Okay, so I think this is on the correspondence. We already have put the taxes. Okay, we'll check. Vendor correspondence. Let's go to company code. I think we haven't put on some language. Account with vendor. Okay, I think we haven't. Second screen, your name, clerk with vendor. Okay, so I think we already have put all of this. Conciliation, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. English. Okay. Midwest. Supply. Okay. Okay, let's go. Let's try again. Okay, vendor. And then we click save. Okay, so we already have created the business partner. Okay, so 51032. Okay, so now let's save that one in a notepad. Okay, so we'll go to notepad. Okay, 51032. This is the 51032. This is the BP number. Okay, so the next one is, okay, let's go to click on purchasing. Okay, so once we are here, let's click on purchasing. Okay, so the purchasing is located click on purchasing. Okay, so business partner balance created. Data has been changed. Okay. Okay, so the second one pala. Okay, the second vendor. Okay, so this is the two vendor. Click this one here. Okay, so this is the same, right? Okay, so it's very confusing. So let's Once you use it, no, piliin nyo lang yung pangalawang vendor. Okay, so then let's click purchasing. Okay, so on the purchasing, okay, again here is 00 for the company. Okay, and okay, let's check all of the all that has asterisk, no. Order currency, it's USD. Let's check. I think there's no error. Okay, I think I put up the right currency. Yep, USD. Okay. Sige. After that, no, payable, and choose with the as order currency, and choose with the F for help. Payable immediately due net and payment terms. Okay, so payable daw agad in due net, not 30 days. Okay, sige. Okay, so navigate to the partner functions. Okay, let's go to partner functions. Okay, so let's put MVN. Okay, automatically VN. This is vendor number, vendor, and the number will just be created automatically. Okay, this is our this will be our vendor number. Okay, 125006. Okay, 125006. Okay, so we have now the BP number, which is 51032, which is connected to, under that is a vendor, chain experts, no, chain experts din to, pero this is vendor number. Okay, VN number. Okay, this is chain experts. Okay, so yun. Okay, so after that, let's just save. Okay, save. It's saving now. Okay, so changes have been saved. Okay, we'll go to the home. Okay, so we have already our BP number and a vendor number. Okay, so the next one, we'll be creating material master for trading goods, no. So material master, this is the part when we create a material like we did in the last activity. We have a what do you call this, TXTR1 code, which is it is a sign, I mean it is a code for a bike, for the bike. Okay, so here we will be using CHLK1. Okay, and we will determine we just determine what will be the next three numbers. Okay, so we'll use this one. Okay, let's go first to create material. Okay, okay, so material haven't been. Okay, so create material. So we have here the material. Okay, so now we will be copying this one. Okay, so let's try to put that there. Oops. Okay, and then on the three numbers, I'll decide on that. Okay, I'll make it 555. Okay, and the industry sector will be retail. Okay, retail and trading goods for the material. Trading goods. Okay, so trading goods. Okay, so this is the what it looks like. Okay, so the author, they make it 1000. Okay, so let's try to continue. Okay, so let's check all of this one. So basic data, sales order 1 2, Okay, so basic data, sales order, data 1, data 2, sales general plant data, okay, purchasing, okay, MRP 1 to 3, 1, 2, 3, okay, general plant data storage 1, okay, we'll fill up some needed data here, okay, so and the last part is the accounting, okay, accounting 1, okay, and we'll be clicking this one. It's already been clicked, okay, so let's click here. Okay, so what plant? Okay, so this is what it looks like. Okay, so the plant will be Miami. Okay, Miami MI00. Then the storage location is, okay, TG, okay, 00. Let's wait for it to appear. Okay, so let's just wait. And then the sales org is UE 00, and the distribution channel is wholesale, which is WH. Okay, so let's check this one. Okay, so here we are now. Okay, we're now here to design a material. Okay, so what's its size and all of it. Okay, so the unit of measure will be what does it says in there? So what's, okay, so chain lock. Okay, that's the let's use this one, chain lock. Okay, and then base unit measure is EA. Okay, so let's look for EA. Each. Okay, so this is the unit for each. Okay, and the material group is utilities. Okay, okay, and the division is accessories. Okay, so where's the division? AS. Okay, and that, in the gross weight, gross weight is 65, net weight is 65 also, and then the is also, this is OZ. Okay, what's OZ? Let's try to find out. Ounce. Okay, ounce. Okay, so let's go to the sales org tab. Okay, let's go here, the sales org. Okay, so the delivery plant will be MI00, which is the Miami plant. Okay, where is that? Delivering plant MI00. Okay, so here is it. So, and then the taxes, let's exempt them from taxes. Okay, select 0 as exemption. Okay, so these are tax exempted. Okay, so 0 tax jurisdiction, city tax code. Okay, so 0. This is in the US side. Okay, and then we'll click on conditions. Okay, so the conditions is scale quantity is 1 to 69. Okay, so 1, each dollar, the amount each is 69 USD. Okay, so let's compare our entries here. Okay, so it's 169. Okay, so 1 scale quantity 169. Okay, so valid from November 10, October 11 to December 31. Okay, so The next one is sales org 2. Let's go back. Sales org 2. Okay, on sales org 2, okay, material statistics group 1. Okay, so let's put a group 1. Okay, 1 a material. Okay, so there are a lot of materials statistics group here. Okay, so material siya, it belong to materials. Okay, and then let's go now to the tab on sales in general plant. Okay, so we have all of this one here. Let's check the availability. Select availability check to 02. Okay, so availability check 02. Where's that? Let's look for that. Availability. Okay, so Y2. It's indicated here it's Y2, so let's check. The book wants us to 02 individual requirements. Okay, it's not Y2. Okay, it's only 2. Okay, and then transport group 001. It means these are arranged on pallets. Okay, trans group. Okay, on pallets. Okay. Okay, and then unloading group, this is being hand cliff. Okay, hand lift. Okay, these are the material handling equipments. Okay, and then on purchasing tab, so let's go to purchasing. So remember, we're creating a material here, the design. Okay, and it's connected to a lot of functions within the ERP. Okay, so on purchasing, okay, the group is N00 North America. Okay, let's try look for the group. Okay, okay, this is it, purchasing group. Okay, so purchasing group is N00. Okay, and confirm with enter. Okay, alright. On MRP 1 tab, so let's go to MRP tab 1. Okay, so MRP tab 1, PD, MRP type PD. Okay, let's look for the PD. MRP, materials requirements productions. Okay, MRP controller is 000. So 000. Okay, and then lot for lot quantity for lot size. Okay, so for lot sizing, lot size procedure, lot for lot. So this is the lot for lot EX. Okay, and then minimum lot size is 10. Okay, so this is the minimum lot size. Okay, and then MRP2, let's go to MRP2. Okay, MRP2 is planned delivery time 6 days. Okay, 6 days. Okay, and then scheduled margin key is 01. Okay, what's 01? Okay, scheduling margin floats. Okay, 001. Okay, so there is no indication what it does. Okay, so just have to um, research that one. Okay. Okay, so calculation, what does that mean? Okay, so and then confirm with enter MRP3. Okay, we're okay here. Okay, on MRP3 check if the availability check is correctly to 02. So MRP3 availability check 02 is okay now. Okay, and then valuation class 3100 trading goods, enter moving price. Okay, so value accounting 1. Okay, so let's go to accounting. Accounting 1. Okay, so accounting 1, select valuation class 3100. This is a trading goods. Okay, so valuation class 3100, so trading goods. Okay, this is a trading goods. Okay, enter moving price. Okay, so the moving price, okay, what's the moving price? It's V. Okay, moving price 1 per unit price is 33.5. Okay, so 33.5. So 33.5. Okay, and then okay, so what's the difference of moving price and standard price? So moving price is like it has fluctuation. Standard price is the standard price. It doesn't move. It's constant. Okay. Okay. So and then we click save. Okay. Okay. Local currency, exchange rate, save. Okay. So we have already material. So now we created the material for this one. This is a chain lock. Okay, and then this is the code CHLK155. Okay, so now we have the material. Okay, so let's go back to home. Okay, so the next one is we will be extending this one to other warehouse now. Copy the sales view of the new trade chain lock from Miami plant to San Diego plant. Okay, so we will be transferring that one to San Diego plant. Okay, okay, let's go. Now copy the sales views of new trading good chain lock. So we're just copying all of the characteristics of it from the Miami plant, okay, to San Diego, to maintain a different condition. Okay, sige. Okay, let's be back again at create material. Okay, so what we're gonna do is let's put the current this is this one material. Okay, okay, let's put all of that now, and then in the copy from, enter also the material. Okay, okay, let's enter that again. Okay, copy, and then we paste it in here. Okay, alright, and then we'll press continue. Okay, might look like that one. Okay, so in here, okay, it will appear here. Let's just select the just click continue. System automatically copies the industry sector, then press again continue. Okay, then let's go continue. So nothing. Copy from. So doesn't click. Select at least one view. Okay, so it's saying to me I should select at least one view. Okay, basic data 1, basic data 2, sales org, okay, purchasing, okay, purchase order text, MRP 1, 2, 3. Okay, so let's check the other parts of it. No? So the one that we click, this one. Okay. Sales data 1, purchasing to 3, basic data 1, basic data 1 only. No more basic data 2, and then purchasing MRP 1, 2, 3, general data storage. Where is that? General plant data storage 1, and then accounting 1. Okay, so let's click. Okay, so let's copy from plant A to here. Okay, so it might look like this. Okay, let's try it again. Okay, continue. Let's start from the beginning. Okay, this one, this one, this one, this one. Advanced planning, forecasting, this one, and then this one. Okay. Okay, so let's now copy that one. Okay. So copying, it says here that we will be copying from plant. Where is that? Okay, so it will look like this. Okay, this one. Okay, from San Diego, I mean from Miami to San Diego. Okay, so storage location MI 00 to SD San Diego. This is San Diego. Okay, San Diego. Okay, plant from to here. Okay, so storage location, we haven't specified the storage location. Okay, okay, we will not specify the storage location. Okay, so valuation type, no. Sales org. Okay, so UW00 and UE00. UW00 and then UE00. Okay, and then the channel is both wholesale. Okay, wholesale. Okay, so and then we select views. Okay, that one, and then okay. Okay, the material already exists and will be extended. Okay, so it's already extended. Okay, this one, and then let's click the continue. Okay, conditions. Okay, let's click here. Okay, to SD00. Okay, and then we will be clicking conditions. Okay, and then again 1 to 65. This is already San Diego. Okay, and then let's go back and then save. Okay, so it's already been created also for the San Diego plant. Okay, now let's go back here. Okay, now we already have copied the chain lock from Miami to San Diego. Okay, okay, so the next thing we're gonna do is we'll check this display stock overview. Okay, we'll check the stocks. Okay, we'll be using this one. No. Okay. Okay, so we this is done by searching, right? Okay, and then we'll plug the MI00. Okay. Okay, so and we are looking for this material here from plant Miami. Okay, so since we already have this code material, so I'm going to just type Miami here. Okay, so mahirap kasi yung pa-search pa eh. Okay, so it's loading. Okay, so we already have memorized all of these codes. Alright, then we execute. Okay, so we can see it's nothing in here. Okay, there's no locations yet, no? So it's time for us to purchase, so to have a values here. Okay, okay, so let's go back to here. Okay, okay, so we will now be creating purchase requisition. Okay, okay, let's now go to there, purchase. Okay, create purchase requisition. Okay, so we're now purchasing something. Okay, okay, a draft purchase requisition already exists. Okay, so this is my other purchase. Okay, so we just have to discard this one. Okay, it's loading, and then we'll create own item. Okay, click that one. Okay, so let's follow the book. Okay, and then we will be entering the material what we have created. Okay, let's look for that here, this one. Okay, chain lock from Miami. Okay, let's use Miami. Okay, and then so 32 for valuation price. So this is for valuation. Okay, so this is not the final price. Okay, so valuation price is 32. Okay, what's this? It's already been selected, USD. Okay, and the price unit is 1. Okay, and the quantity requested is 200. Okay, so let's put here. By the way, the point here is in SAP, the point is considered as period. Okay, it's it looks like 200,000, but this is just 200. Okay, so this is the SAP way. Okay, SAP way. Okay, we'll get along with it. Okay, and then the delivery date will be 3 months from today. Okay, so 3 months from today, let's follow to December 15. Okay, and then it will look like this. Okay, so let's check our. Okay, so this is okay. Then we'll click add to cart. Okay, add to cart. it's now added to cart. Okay, and then once it appears here, the added to cart, let's view the cart. Okay, and then we'll click this one. Let's add some data. Okay, so let's check the guide. Okay, we'll put the N00 purchasing group. Okay, N00. Okay, North America. Okay, US00 purchasing organization. Okay, and then the company code US00 again. Okay, US00. Okay, the plant is Miami. Okay, 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 and then click save. There are some mandatory fields. Okay, so let's make this one USD. Okay, let's save. Oh, there are mandatory fields. US. Okay, so save. The item is updated. Okay, so once it's updated, okay, let's go back, and then we'll click order. Okay, this is the moment of truth. Okay, so this is the error that I've encountered. No, so this is same error that I already have encountered. Other SAP users also encountered. So will not be able to proceed since on purchasing. Okay, so we've been halt here because of the error. Okay, so now just have to look at the book. Okay, so once we order that one, automatically after, if there's no error here, okay, I already have requested for this error to be fixed, making me a super user. Also, you guys, I also have requested that you guys will be a super user, meaning you can navigate every part of the ERP and you have no restriction like a god. Okay, so here, so assuming that there is no error, so we have here the purchase requisitions being created. Okay, sample here. Okay, and then we will be taking note of that one. Okay, so and then the author wants us to go to manage stock. So still 0. Okay, and we'll check the stock single material, and then we'll check the history. It's been 0 all along. Okay, and then from that, since we have an order already, we have requested. Okay, this one here, Alberto, technical office assistant, will request for quotation to different suppliers. Okay, this one, create request quotation. Okay, so this is the RFO type, AN English, and then as the RFQ date and the deadline. Okay, so that's the part of that. Okay, so the purchase requisition that we made the last time, okay, we'll put that there. It's RFQ, and then we continue. Okay, and this is what we have copied, okay, from the purchase requisition. It's been copied to RFQ. Okay, here in RFQ, after creating that one, okay, it will be sent to the different suppliers, and then they will be putting evaluating the prices and the quality. Okay, so there are different valuation type in there. Okay, so these are the this is sent to spy gear, and also for this one. Okay, and the technical office there will put a lot of the prices. Okay, so the prices for each chain lock. Okay, and after that, okay, we have the maintain quotations from vendors. Okay, so we'll find it. So this is the quotation from Midwest. Okay, so this is it. RFQ, request for quotation. Okay, 10. Okay, so the price is 32. Okay, and also it meant, did you save that? Okay, the ones we've been manipulating, this one is the Mr. Alberto. Okay, so we'll be putting a price for that. He is updating now the different quotations. Okay, so maintained, and also for Dallas and then Spy Gear. So there are 3 suppliers competing. Okay, so the most competitive price is Midwest, which is $32. Okay, Dallas $36, Spy Gear $35. Okay, so now evaluating again. Okay, so Mr. Wilton will be evaluating those different prices. No, so you will go to evaluate quotations. No, and then he will now be checking the collective RFQ. Okay, collective RFQ, it puts all of those different quotations paid by different suppliers. Okay, so this is the different prices. Okay, so the most competitive price there is Midwest. Okay, this one. Okay, so this one here will be deleted. Okay, so this is the picture here, and there's also a process here for rejecting. Okay, for each one of this, it will be Mr. Inventory Supervisor will delete this one, also this one, same process, will be rejecting. Okay, so once it's okay now, so Midwest wins. Okay, now we will be creating a PO. Okay, so create purchase order, we'll go to there, and then we'll go to request for quotations, and then we'll look for the quotations made for from Midwest. Okay, 60014. We will be selecting that one, transfer all of those data. Okay, so this is it. Okay, this is from Midwest. Okay, it is a different vendors. Okay, so we'll be selecting here the Midwest. Okay, single clicking the Midwest. Okay, and adapt the information. Okay, so we'll be adapting the information. Okay, so this is it now. Okay, it's creating now a purchase order. Okay, and this purchase order will be sent to Midwest. Okay, this is it. So we have now here the standard PO. It comes from us, and then we'll send it to Midwest, or the what I made the chain experts, just in case we have gone through all of those process. Okay, now we'll display purchasing documents. Okay, so we're just displaying here. Okay, so go here, the same thing that we did. Okay, from the customer orders. Okay, so this one, and then this is the order not yet sent. Okay, chain lock. Okay, there are 2 parts here. Okay, and then it's divided, I think this is divided into 2, 100 100, since we ordered 200. Okay, so we're just checking on this one. Okay, so this is just displaying. Okay, let's return to home, and now we'll create a goods receipt. Okay, so create a goods receipt is the time when the Midwest here delivered the goods. Okay, now once it delivers the goods, okay, this is it. Okay, this is the PO. Okay, this is it. Now create goods receipt. Okay, post goods receipt for purchase order. Okay, so this is it. So here they divided it to two. Okay, so other is 100 and the other one is 100, so it means two deliveries. Okay, so it will be put in trade TG00. This is the storage location. Okay, and then click apply. Okay, so now it will be sent to the it's now posted. Okay, alright, so there are two types in there. Okay, so 100 storage location. Here we'll put TG00. Okay, so here trading goods will receive into inventory the stock items ordered. Okay, so this is the time that Midwest has delivered the items. Okay, this is it. So this is two deliveries. Okay, so open quantity 100,000 and then delivered 100. So we have open quantity and ordered 100. Okay, so after that we will be verifying the physical receipt of goods. Okay, manage stocks. Okay, we'll check that one. Okay, we'll check the inventory of that. Okay, it's now searching. So this is the it now has 100. Okay, we just received partial of the deliveries. Okay, so take note, it is two deliveries. Okay, and then we check the stock single material and we check the history. You can see here it just jumps up to 100. Okay, because we receive it in here. And then we click here the home. Okay, since we see it that we already have received the item, and then we now create invoice receipt from the vendor. Okay, we're now saying to the vendor that we received the item. Please transfer the total amount with reference to the invoice. Okay, so that one. Okay, accounts payable specialist. Okay, so this is the okay, this one Midwest. Okay, create invoice receipt from vendor. You see this is the entered an invoice receipt from Midwest. Okay, 3,200. So they're charging us for $3,200 for 100 quantity. Okay, actually some of the companies you will not be paid unless you delivered all of what is ordered. Okay, here the 100 has been already been processing for payment. Okay, for other companies and also apparent in my company, the seller must, the vendor or the seller must finish all of what is ordered. For say here 200 must be finished before it must be paid. Okay, this is from Midwest. And then create supplier invoice. Okay, so this is the job of the accounting. Okay, so invoice here, it's creating an accounts payable. Okay, since we confirmed that we received the item, so it has in evidence here. Okay, so we'll now create a PO reference. This is a PO reference here. Okay, from that and here. Okay, so we will be paying 3,200 for this specific PO, and we have a remaining item. Okay, not yet delivered, but this one should be paid. Okay, so we have now created item for payment. Okay, so this is 510500121 black for payment. Okay, so it must be paid. Okay, so we're just displaying here my purchasing documents. Okay, we want to see. Okay, so this one is completed already. Okay, completed delivery. So we're now waiting for the other delivery. Okay. Okay, so this is the document flow, the process. Okay, so and that's it. Okay. Okay, so goods receive into inventory the remaining stock items ordered. Okay, so yung mga remaining items will be created referencing our purchase order, thereby ensuring that we receive the products ordered within the time frames requested in the quality condition. Okay, so this is the remaining stocks. Okay, so this one here, the 100. Okay, so this is the remaining 100. Okay, we'll receive that one, and then apply, post. Now it's been posted. Okay, now we'll see it now. Okay, so it's been taking too long. Okay, you can see that it's now 200, not 100, 200. Okay, and then we'll create again an invoice for that now that we received the 100. Okay, again this one, again the same process. Okay, so we now have here, so this is finished already, so this is the next that we received. Okay, and then post payments for the vendor here. Okay, so this one is a total 6,400. Okay, so this must be paid. Okay, we have a balance of 6,400 from to them. Okay, once we paid them, okay, we will clear it. Okay, the same thing that we did in our last sales distribution. Okay, if you remember, and there are two here. Okay, once we pay them, okay, we will be clearing them. Okay, but it has some documents. Okay, and then we have a journal entry in the accounting. Okay, so here is the journal entry. Okay, so that's the end-to-end process. Okay, so display supplier balances. Okay, so we will be checking the balances here. Okay, let's look for Midwest. Okay, okay, 64 debit and then the credit. Okay, so purchases. Okay, so we have here the balances. Okay, we debit and then we credit. Okay, so it's already been paid. Okay, so this is the purchase order history. This is it, completed already, the two. Okay, and then now I think this is the final one. Display review GL account balances. Okay, financial statement. Okay, so this is one. Okay, so this is it. Okay, so it has an impact. Okay, it has an impact. So once we pay something, like this one, we have a cash. Okay, so 156 cash and cash equivalents. Now it gone to 152,000. Okay, so when we paid something to Midwest. Okay, okay, so ledger, check out the statement type is set to normal. Okay, compare with the screen below and press go. Okay, so okay, I think that's the end. Okay, it's sad that there's an error. Okay, I'm so excited to teach you all of those process from ordering, from creating a vendor, creating a supplier or vendor, and then paying them, and then creating a material, and then to receiving all of them. Okay, it's a lot of process. Okay, so I think this is the end of my of our short video. Okay, for SAP. Okay, good luck. Okay, thank you.